Hi students, in this video we are going to discuss about how to convert the given trigonometric ratio in terms of other trigonometric ratios. So we know that already we have six trigonometric ratios. That six trigonometric conversion of, so this is conversion of a trigonometric ratio into in terms of other trigonometric ratios. So this is today's topic. Now, so how to convert this is? So we have six trigonometric ratios. First we have to see sine theta. Second trigonometric ratio is cos theta. Third one is tan theta. So other one is cosecant theta. So these are reciprocal ratios we know. So that is secant theta. Next one is cot theta. So these are six trigonometric ratios. We are going to convert this six trigonometric ratios in terms of other ratios. That means first trigonometric sine theta we are going to convert in terms of cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta and cot theta. So now, so we have to convert this is sine theta and cos theta, tan theta. So tan theta and cosecant theta and secant theta and finally cot theta. We have to first convert so all the trigonometric ratios in terms of sine theta. We have to see how all the trigonometric ratios in terms of sine theta first. So now, so we have sine theta cannot be changed. This is sine theta only. Sine theta cannot be changed. This is just sine theta only. Then coming to cos theta. So we have to change cos theta in terms of sine theta. So we need a trigonometric identity. So which trigonometric identity we required? So we have sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. This is called first trigonometric identity. This first trigonometric identity we are going to use to convert the given trigonometric ratios in terms of sine theta. Now first cos square theta, from this cos square theta equals to 1 minus sine square theta. Then coming to cos theta is equals to root of 1 minus sine square theta. Now in the place of cos theta we are going to write root of 1 minus sine square theta. So now, so tan theta, we know tan theta. So we have general formula, tan theta is equals to sine theta by cos theta. Sine theta, where is sine theta? Sine theta and cos theta. This is sine theta by root of 1 minus sine square theta. Now this is value of tan theta. Now coming to cosecant theta. Cosecant theta directly we can say the reciprocal, that is 1 by sine theta. Now coming to secant theta. Secant theta is also reciprocal of cos theta. So what is the reciprocal of cos theta? Secant theta can be written as 1 by cos theta. Cos theta means root of 1 minus sine square theta. Then what about cot theta? Reciprocal of tan theta, that is root of 1 minus sine square theta by, so cot theta can be written as this is sine theta. So this is called, so all the trigonometric, that is trig ratios in terms of sine theta we converted. Then coming to all the trigonometric ratios in terms of cos theta. How to convert all the trigonometric ratios in terms of cos theta? So first cos theta value directly I am writing, this is cos theta. What about sine theta? Sine theta is equals to, from the first identity, sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So from this we are going to find cos square theta, that is 1 minus sine square theta. Then sorry, so 1 minus, we have to find now sine square theta value, sine square theta. So sine square theta is equals to 1 minus cos square theta, then sine theta is equals to root of 1 minus cos square theta. Then in the place of sine theta we have to write root of 1 minus cos square theta. Then coming to tan theta already we know tan theta is equals to sine theta by cos theta. In terms of tan theta, sine theta value root of 1 minus cos square theta by cos theta. Then coming to cosecant theta is reciprocal of sine, that is 1 by root of 1 minus cos square theta. Then what is secant theta? Secant is reciprocal of cos, that is 1 by cos theta. What about cot theta? Cot theta is 1 by tan, that is reciprocal of tan, that is cos theta by root of 1 minus cos square theta. These are the trigonometric ratios in terms of cos theta. So we find. Then coming to tan theta. So how to convert the given trigonometric ratios in terms of tan theta. So directly tan theta value we have to write, this is tan theta. Now tan theta and secant theta, we have a relation tan theta and secant theta, that is second trigonometric identity. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. But we are going to find secant square theta. Secant square theta equals to 1 plus tan square theta. Then from this, secant theta is equals to square root of 1 plus tan square theta. That means in the place of secant theta, we are writing root of 1 plus tan square theta. So once you get secant theta, we have to find cos theta. What is cos theta? Reciprocal of secant. That is 1 by root of 1 plus tan square theta. Then once you know tan, so we have to find cot. Cot is very simple. Cot is 1 by tan. This is 1 by tan theta. Then what about sin theta and what about cosecant theta? So we know sin theta value. So we have to find a formula tan theta is equals to sin theta by cos theta. So to find sin theta, we are going to multiply tan theta with cos theta. That is tan theta into cos theta, that is equals to sin theta. Then what about cos theta now? Cos theta value we have, that is 1 by root of 1 plus tan square theta. That is tan theta into, in the place of cos theta, that is 1 by root of 1 plus tan square theta. So this can be written as simply, so this sin theta can be written as tan theta by root of 1 plus tan square theta. That is called sin theta. Sin theta value is tan theta into 1, tan theta by root of 1 plus tan square theta. Then sin theta can be written as tan theta by root of 1 plus tan square theta. Then coming to cosecant theta, reciprocal of sin theta, that is root of 1 plus tan square theta by tan theta. Root of 1 plus tan square theta by tan theta. This is about all the trigonometric ratios in terms of tan theta. Sin theta is tan theta by root of 1 plus tan square theta. Cos theta is 1 by root of 1 plus tan square theta. Tan theta. Cosecant theta is root of 1 plus tan square theta by tan theta. Then secant theta is root of 1 plus tan square theta. And cot theta is 1 by tan theta. Like that, remaining other ratios. So remaining other ratios. You can pause this video. So you have to try remaining all the 3 trigonometric ratios. Just you have to verify. I am going to explaining here. This is cosecant theta. So all the trigonometric ratios in terms of cosecant theta we have to learn now. So cosecant theta, where cosecant theta? This is cosecant theta. You have to write this is cosecant theta. What is its reciprocal? Sin theta. That is, this is 1 by cosec theta. 1 by cosec theta. So you have to write this is 1 by cosec theta. Now we have a relation with cosecant theta and cot theta. What is cosecant theta, cot theta relation? We know that cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equals to 1. Then I can write cot square theta. Take cot square theta this side and 1 this side. It becomes cosec square theta minus 1 is equals to cot square theta. Then cosec square theta minus 1 under root is equals to cot theta. Then in the place of cot theta we can write root of cosec square theta minus 1. Root of cosec square theta minus 1. So once you know cot theta, we are able to find tan theta. That is reciprocal of cot theta. That is 1 by root of cosec square theta minus 1. 1 by root of cosec square theta minus 1. So we know tan theta value and cot theta value, cosecant theta value and sin theta. What about cos theta? So to find cos theta value, so we have to learn what is cot theta formula. Cot theta is equals to sin by cos by sin. So we need cos theta value. That means cot theta into sin theta is equals to cos theta. What about cot theta? Cot theta is equals to root of cosecant square theta minus 1 into sin theta is nothing but 1 by cosecant theta. This is root of cosec square theta minus 1 into 1 by cosec theta. That is root of cosec square theta minus 1 by cosec theta. That is called cos theta. Cos theta formula is root of cosec square theta minus 1 by cosec theta. Now we derived the formula from these two conditions. So now once you know cos theta, we have to find secant theta. Secant theta is reciprocal, that is cosec theta by root of cosec square theta minus 1. This is about trigonometric ratios in terms of cosecant theta. Trigonometric ratios in terms of cosecant theta. Now trigonometric ratios in terms of cos theta, secant theta. So how to find trigonometric ratios in terms of secant theta? Let me see secant theta. Secant theta means directly you can write what is secant theta here. Secant theta. Now secant theta reciprocal cos, that is 1 by secant theta. 1 by secant theta. So we have the relation with secant square theta and tan square theta. Secant theta and tan theta. That is secant square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. So from this we are going to find tan square. Now take tan square to that side and transpose 1 to this side. This is secant square theta minus 1 is equals to tan square theta. Then square root of secant square theta minus 1 is equals to tan theta. Tan theta can be written as square root of secant square theta minus 1. Where is tan theta? Here tan theta. Tan theta can be written as root of sec square theta minus 1. Root of sec square theta. Once you get tan theta, it is very easy to find cot theta. Cot theta is 1 by root of sec square theta minus 1. Root of sec square theta minus 1. So once after getting these 4 trigonometric ratios, we need to find sin theta. So we know sin theta, very simple. So tan theta is equals to sin theta by cos theta. Okay. Now this is tan theta into cos theta. That is equals to sin theta. Tan theta into cos theta. What is tan theta value? Tan theta is root of secant square theta minus 1 into cos theta is 1 by secant theta. Now secant square theta minus 1 by secant theta, that is sin theta. Sin theta can be written as secant square theta, that is root of secant square theta minus 1 by sec theta. Root of secant square theta minus 1 by secant theta, that is called sin theta. Now once you know sin theta, it is very easy to find cosecant theta, that is secant theta by root of secant square theta minus 1. Secant theta by root of secant square theta minus 1. This is about secant theta in terms of other trigonometric ratios. Sorry, all the trigonometric ratios in terms of secant theta. Now, so all the trigonometric ratios in terms of cot theta. How it is? Cot theta directly we can write. This is cot theta. Now once you know cot theta, that is very easy to find tan theta. So that is tan theta can be written as 1 by cot theta. 1 by cot theta. We have a relation cot theta and cosecant theta. Now, so we have cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equals to 1. So once you know this is cosecant square theta is equals to 1 plus cot square theta. Now cosecant theta is equals to square root of 1 plus cot square theta. So now cosecant theta, where is the cosecant theta here? That is, this can be written as root of 1 plus cot square theta. Once you know cosecant theta, we are able to find its reciprocal, that is 1 by, so that is 1 by cosecant theta, that is 1 by root of 1 plus cot square theta. Once you know sine, cosecant, tan, cot, so we know very simple what is cos theta value, cos theta. So that means tan theta is equals to, cot theta is equals to cos theta by sin theta. Now, so cos theta can be written as cot theta into sin theta is equals to cos theta. Now what is sin theta? Sin theta is root of 1 by root of 1 plus cot square theta. That is cot theta into 1 by root of 1 plus cot square theta. That is, so this can be cos theta can be written as cot theta by root of 1 plus cot square theta. 1 plus cot square theta. This is about so cos theta. Once you know cos theta, it is very simple to find secant theta. So secant theta can be written as, so reciprocal of cos theta, that is root of 1 plus cot square theta by cot theta. So in this way, we are going to convert given a trigonometric ratio in terms of all other trigonometric ratios. Now, so this is the formula sin theta in terms of all the other trigonometric ratios. Sin theta root of 1 minus cos square theta, tan theta by root of 1 plus tan square theta, 1 by cosecant theta, and root of secant square theta minus 1 by secant theta, and 1 by root of 1 plus cot square theta. These are all sin theta formulas. Then these are all cos theta formulas. These are all tan theta formulas. These are all cosecant theta formulas in terms of all other trigonometric ratios. So like that secant theta in terms of all other trigonometric ratios, cot theta in terms of all other trigonometric ratios. So students, you are clear now. So you have to practice this type of questions. It is very important to get marks. Okay, that's the reason why. So we are converting all the trigonometric ratios in terms of other trigonometric ratios. If you have any doubts, so you can please comment on this video. So I will try to rectify all your doubts. Thank you.